Good morning, everyone. We have some new stuff for the BRZ today. So we will be going over to my mom's house so I can show you all the new stuff we got. We got baby Akira with us today. She's gonna get my new car seats all dirty, but it's fine. Nothing a vacuum can't take out. I'm gonna go drop Akira off at mom's, and then I have to go pick up some things. I've got Akira dropped off. I went ahead and dropped her off so that way I could run my errands and stuff and I didn't have to leave her in the car. I need to get started. We need to put on some jams, get the vibe going for today, and have a good day. Let's get to it, baby. All right, boys, so the stuff that we got going on today, we have a brand new Greddy exhaust. This is the Greddy Evo GT, and we also got some window tint for the car. So we're gonna go ahead and put the exhaust and the tint on it. We're gonna go ahead, get this car jacked up, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the exhaust. A few more things we also got while we were out and about. Got some more downshift stickers for customers and stuff if they ever want to rep the company. And these, y'all are not the first ones to see this. Instagram will see it first. But these are some new slaps we're going to be dropping for Empire. So if y'all want to go cop some of these, they will be on the website probably by the time that this video drops. So once you see this video, these will already be on the website and ready for purchase. So y'all go ahead, cop some of those. And if y'all ever do business with me and want a downshift sticker, just hit me up. And I will make sure that you get one of these on your car. But let's go ahead and get the BRZ jacked up and go ahead and install this Greddy Evo. Yo, look at this, dude. This looks so good. Look at those welds, bro. Ooh, I can appreciate good welds. Good welds like those, I can appreciate so well. Like, dude, look at that. Oh, this is amazing. With the Mustang, it was straight pipe, so I've never bought like a true exhaust system. So this is technically like my first ever like catback exhaust. Like I've never bought like an actual exhaust system before. So I'm super excited about this. This looks freaking amazing, dude. Like, good grief. If y'all have never installed an exhaust before, and you should know about these little grommets. If you ever need like an easier way, because they're kind of a pain, they're not easy at all. Go get you like some lubricant. I have some chain lube from whenever I used to race dirt bikes. Go get you some lubricant, just spray it on, let it sit for a second. You should be able to pop it out a lot easier. I have to remove these little bolts back here first. I forgot to take those out. But if you get some like lube, just spray it on there, it should be able to pop out, because all you need to do is get this little piece popped out from here. Like as soon as you can get that past, you're clear. So go get you some like lubricant, just spray it around like this little bit and around the grommet, and it should come out a lot easier. Okay, got the mid pipe out. Now, time for the rear exhaust hangers. These are a lot harder than the middle ones. All right, the exhaust is finally out, so now I can go ahead and start installing this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Greddy exhaust. All right, took a little bit of a lunch break. I am now going to install these rear mufflers, and we should be done after that. So we'll go ahead and get these rear mufflers in so we can hear it. Joe, look at that, dude. It looks so sick. I love how this looks. Now that we've got the exhaust on, I'm gonna go ahead and drop the car so we can listen to it. Dude, this thing sounds so good. It's quiet down a little bit more because the car's already warm, so it's not like gonna be super loud, but it's like, it's so perfect. I mean, I would like a little bit more loud, but I have plans to get headers later on and also an overpipe. So for now, I think this is gonna be perfect. I really enjoy how it sounds. I'm gonna get a few rev clips, and I'm also gonna go on a drive, so just kind of see how it sounds. But so far, I think it sounds super good, and I think it's gonna be perfect for now until I can get the headers and the overpipe. It sounds good though, it sounds super, super good. Not like crazy startup loud, but I think I like it. Sounds so sick. I really enjoy this exhaust. I'm so hyped. Well, I'm probably gonna take y'all on a drive, see how it sounds, and then we're gonna come back and prep it for 10, because I am ready to get rid of this fishbowl. I cannot take another day in fishbowl. Camera's gonna kind of bounce just a little bit, so bear with me. Thing sounds so good. It's not like crazy loud. It's like, it's honestly just like perfect. Like it's nothing too crazy. I thought it was gonna be a lot louder than it is, so that's okay with me. But we'll end up getting headers in the overpipe, and it's gonna make it so much louder. I'm gonna wait till we get to the main road, and I'm gonna do a little bitty pull. I'm hoping the camera doesn't go flying. The drone's a little crazy. The drone's a lot Mustang drone really, really bad. So I'm not like super against drone. I kind of like drone, so it's not bad. It's definitely tolerable. There's definitely some intolerable drones. This, on the other hand, is a very, very tolerable drone. It's nothing. It's not like super high pitched. About to get on the main road here in just a second. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Let me see what it's like with the windows up. Because I bet the drone's a lot louder with the windows up than with the windows down. Yeah, the drone is a little bit louder with the windows up, but it's nothing like, it's not bad enough that you can't hear yourself speak. Because sometimes the Mustang drone was so bad that you could not hear yourself speak. And you kind of had to like scream across to your passengers, so this won't be anything compared to the Mustang. It's got a nice throat. It's not like high pitched like most cars are. Like most 4-cylinders that you kind of put some exhaust to, they're a little intolerable. But I really haven't ever experienced the Subi before. I've always heard Subi rumble and stuff, but I've never been inside of a car while listening to Subi rumble, so this is a new experience for me. Ooh! I don't know if y'all heard those backfires or not. They're probably too quiet, but the car had a little bit of backfires to it. Also, I only have I feel like the car pulls a lot better. I feel like it's got some better airflow with this exhaust, because that pull right there felt a lot better, but I do only have 350 miles on it, so I'm still not in break-in miles yet, so I really can't like do crazy amounts of pulls, sadly, but with it being my daily right now, we should hit those miles pretty quickly. Hoping by the end of this month, we should hit break-in miles. All right, we're back at the house now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping this thing for some tint. I'm super happy with this exhaust. I'm still kind of smelling some of the break-in exhaust smells. It smells pretty bad, but other than that, I love this exhaust. Let's go ahead and prep this thing for some tint. All right, boys, so if y'all can't tell, it's a lot darker in here. My buddy came and helped me out get this tint done. So what we went with is 5 all around on the sides and the back, and then 20 on the front. I like a dark car. I don't like people being able to see in here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it out in the sun and kind of just let it bake. So this is the tint we're working with. It's pretty dark. You can't really see in there. So yeah, we've got 5 all around and 20 on the front. So I think this is gonna be the end of the video. I really don't have a whole lot left going for today, so I'm probably just gonna end it here. Hope y'all enjoyed watching. There's much more to come from this car. I've already I'm ordering parts as I get the money, so expect a big transformation of this car in the next few months. It's gonna be absolutely crazy. I'm so excited for this build. But I hope y'all liked step 1 of the BRZ build.